Welcome to the mix, and on the mix we have Marcia. Now you have to go check out what Marcia has to say, because you know that she always speaks her mind, and whatever is bothering her, she will get it out. Now she's talking about Lady in the Dark and Majesty. So go ahead and catch the video and see what she has to say while she's eating her mango. And remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel as always. And have yourselves a wonderful, wonderful Sunday morning. God bless you.
Non-relevant blood clot girl. How much view you have over YouTube? Huh? Every day you come a call. Marcia. Girl, that's your name, blood clot. Yes, what my name? Look at my fabulous name. Queen of Entertainment. Marcia, Sexy TT, and now my new name for my page is. I want me say my new name is Detective. What my name? What me say my name? Tell me what my new name is again. Detective what? What me say? What me her? What I call it again? What me say my new name is? Detective Dies. What me say? Cause suck your blood clot, self dirty girl. Girl like that. But everybody knows you're a full blood clot pledge. Bomber clot planker. A view ya look. I wish part of blood clot girl live. You never go up on the tree, go blood clot, sit down and name some blood clot mango. On the mango time. I wish part of it. Cause no sound like shit I find. Split justice, blood clot, ever bless his ear. Majesty, you're not getting a blood clot sleep tonight. I'm here to tell you. You look like you want something with me. I'm in a pussy clot afraid of you. Are your people them. You have your people them and I have it. Yeah, this the blood clot program, Majesty. I'm afraid of you. You have one tongue. Me know you have one tongue and you have a blood clot dick in your trousers front. And we know say big because you always show it up. So we know say blood clot big. But a two tongue me have. Me have one here and me have a pussy tongue on my foot. You understand? So, we know that. So you know, have to talk about it. Yeah, this the program. I mean, I need to show. I need to show in a no blood clot barrel, Majesty. You understand? Split justice, blood clot, ever bless his ear. And I'm going to tell you, you make a fool out of yourself tonight as a business blood clot man in England. You make a fool out of yourself. A long time you want this me up. You understand? A long time you want to diss me up. You make the life about me because guess what? You're done with Sophie. Well, I'm going to show the audience that the letter where you have is a blood clot fake letter. Well, on there. And you're not seeing no letter where written. Me, I could show my audience, detective, me, I could show the audience, and don't tell no lie, pa me say, there is no part in my video where me say 5 letters were sent in. I said I have 5 letters that were sent in to me. When me I talk about is a 5 letter with letters and decisions that they tell her from stages to stages. Like when them tell her what happened, this and that, and when to come back to work. I have those documentation. Me not have 5 letters, 2 letters sent in. You and Stacy. People, let me go for Detective Marcia now. Because you're fucking now wine. Because you not go on like say because you have a lot of followers now. Listen. A whole heap of blood clot will not come down for me now. For 2-3 years now, you know, so me can conquer you. But you know what happened? You know what I don't like what you did? I don't like what you did with setting up people. And you're going to add your planker friend and Erica in there. Look who you're going to add in there. You're going to add Erica in there. For you want for Erica to come cuss. Eh? Why you going to add Erica? Erica, landscape, don't come in at this. No matter how much money you want to make landscape, do not come in at this. It's fuckery. Because they want to distract you from stop talking. This not have nothing to do with you. You never write no blood clot letter. And Dana not write no letter. Dana can't even spell blood clot, can't much as write a letter there. Then I have people with right fear. Then I not even know if you operate our cell phone much less. Figure right letter. You understand? So we all know that then on the right no blood clot letter and you Erica Wassa, you can't even spell cat, much less rat and mat and bee. Figure right letter. Not even blood clot mango. MYGNOLL mango. Figure right letter. So rest yourself aside that you know write the letter. All right. Okay. Rest yourself aside. All right. Come on, just you want to play people like a blood clot idiot. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on, people. You see any email you might get? You see if it can't look with a little logo yeah, and a little fine print yeah, at the bottom, it can't work. If it can't come with a fine print yeah, hold on. Let me tell you. If it can't come with a little logo yeah, and a fine print, it's not an email. All right, let me show you another one. If it can't come, if it can't look like this, if it can't look like this at the bottom, it's not an email, honey. Any email, when we're talking about any letter, any reply letter, we send back to them people. If you can't, bottom part can't look like this, you can't see? You don't see it? The fine print them and the logo. If you can't send like this, it's not for them. Them say them have a response letter. Tell them to show you the email part and the logo. You understand? The letter with them are fake. If the bottom part of the letter, Facebook people, Majesty, Chris, if the letter where you have in your hand can't show the bottom part with this writing, these fine prints, and the logo for the company, it's not a real letter. If them can't show a letter like this without copying everything what I said, it's not a real letter. This is one of the official letters that the answering letter that is reply back to her. Letting her know the decision and everything from all the emails. If you don't have this fine print and a logo yeah, it's not a letter. You can't see it, people? You can't see it? Huh? You're dissing me too much and you're trying to prove. And see the letter, if these are the email letter. You understand? That is it. If you do not have this letter from the corporation, a return letter, reply, this is not the letter. My supporters, if the email don't have the company logo and these fine print down there like this, it is not the letter. All right, let me show you another one. Just Sophie, just brace yourself because this man is disrespectful and I don't know why. These are some of the letters. If them don't have the logo them like this, the letter, the official letter from the company, it can't work. It can't work, Majesty. It cannot work. Your letter not have nothing like this at the tail of the bottom. Let me show you another one. Okay. If your letter don't have this, you can't show at the bottom with the logo. A fake letter you have. There's somebody who write it, them know about laws. You get one of your big friend, them will know about laws and everything to write it and cook up. That girl, she always talk bad about me. That the girl is not credible. Yeah, it ain't. That's something not credible. Yeah, see what I said? The email is attached. Write this up. If you not get a reply like this from the company, and this is one of the reasons why you come out and yeah, these people and I involve me in this and whatever it is. I'm just letting you know. I am here to split justice. And you come and talk about me need to put in a barrel and come down. Is you need to put in a barrel and throw away. For your inappropriate behavior as a businessman. And wind up and a go on and a cuss people and a drink and junk on social media. Not me. Me don't need to put in a barrel You understand me? If you had come out and show some letters like this to the people them, we would have said yes, the people them write you. And una don't know, I twisting it up. So if he told me not to give una date, I know some Marcia is a woman always come out. Right? I mean always give. Twist up thing. When time I got Jamaica, I twist up people. When me I got Jamaica, I twist up people. You understand? When I'm going to Jamaica, I twist up people. Some stuff is a master don't give them the time. And to show that the letter is lying where it's written. At the time of the letter, Chris, just to let you know the letter is fake, Chris, Erica was not nominated for a philanthropist award as yet. So how them going to write in the blood clot letter and say Erica is a philanthropist? So you shouldn't read the letter out. Because the letter there is stop it, Chris. Don't go no further with this. You already see a wrote into the woman job. Wait until you get the result. But the letter where you write and said, because you are basing the letter off of everything when we say. So everything when we come from Facebook and go on with, you write the letter, you write the letter. And a while ago you say, yeah, sure. Letters, I know you're not going to you watch me. Can I come out to prove it to you that the letter them sent to you is a lie? You understand? Chris, what gives you away the letter? At the time of the letter, Erica was not nominated. Erica wasn't given the title for the philanthropist. What kind of foolishness is that? You have to have a official letterhead, a email with the little square them and little things them. Where the people them not show you, and you have to, and if they were going to send a letter, it's supposed to head to who it may concern. You don't have no date, you don't have nothing. You're basing the date and I say April the 4th because I say, listen how it is, because this is split justice, blood clot, ever blessing. I mean, I walk with nobody, no, Chris. As God up heaven, you know, I now walk with nobody and I'm walking by myself. I'm letting you know. As God as my witness on the Holy Bible, I am not working with Sophia. I am not working with Tina Chin. I'm not working with Lauren and nobody on social media. I'm working for myself. I'm splitting justice. And that is a straight truth. I'm not